Alright, you are welcome again. Today, let's talk about some special cases in logarithm. Let's take a look at this question. Find the value of x. We have 200, open bracket, 0.7, close bracket, raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 6,000. Okay, now from here, let's divide both sides by 200. When we divide both sides by 200, we're going to have 200, open bracket, 0.7, close bracket, raised to power x minus 1 divided by 200 is equal to 6,000 divided by 200. So in the left hand side, 200 will cancel 200, right? So we're going to be left with 0.7 raised to power x minus 1 equal to 6,000 divided by 200 is equal to 30. Right? Yes. Remember, we are looking for the value of x. If we take the logarithm on both sides, what are we going to have? We're going to have log 0.7 in bracket raised to power x minus 1 equal to log 30. So this x minus 1 in the exponent, we can take it down to the back. That means we're going to have x minus 1 in bracket log 0.7 equal to log 30. Let's divide both sides by log 0.7. So dividing both sides, we have x minus 1 in bracket log 0.7 divided by log 0.7 equal to log 30 divided by log 0.7. So log 0.7 will cancel log 0.7 in the denominator. So we are going to be left with x minus 1 equal to, when we say log 30 divided by log 0.7, it's going to give us minus 9.53585 approximately. Okay, good. So here, let's take minus 1 to the other side. That is going to be plus 1. So here we have x is equal to minus 9.53585 plus 1. It's going to give us minus 8.53585. So therefore, x is equal to approximately minus 8.53585. All right? Yes. Thank you very much for watching. Let's take more examples. Stay blessed.